Oh, I'm so hungry. Pizza time.
Ayu, she'll teach you things, she'll play with you, and Gigi loves you too. Yay!
Hello everyone! How are you feeling today? How are you feeling today, Gigi? Are you okay?
Yes!
Because I'm really happy. Today it is pizza day! Woohoo! Welcome to my play area. And now let's start. Let's make a pizza. I'm making the dough now.
Amazing!
Tomato sauce. Now the cheese. Pizza is really hot. What now? Going to use this finger and I will add some olives. What else? Maybe some ham or pepperoni. Let it be ham.
Amazing!
Ham. I will use pink. pepperoni too, the mild one. So I'm going to make some pepperoni as well.
Yes.
I will use orange. Nice pizza. What now? We need something really, really healthy on this pizza, and that will be spinach. Some leaves of spinach.
Amazing!
Wow, beautiful. Wow, what a beautiful pizza! Now I will paint the letters for the pizza, and I will write in here pizza time.
Delicious!
I already have some colors in here, but I will be mixing these colors with purple, because I didn't use purple on the pizza and I didn't use blue, so I'm going to use them right now. Let's write pizza. P I Z. And we need another one. A.
No way!
Pizza. And here, time. Pizza time. T.
Yes!
I.
Bravo! Bravo!
M. E. Time. Pizza time. Pizza time. And look at
Amazing!
this beautiful pizza. Oh, I'm so hungry.
And don't forget, be kind, wash your hands, eat healthy. You are beautiful.